this time it's an explosive claim in the Ajit Pawar plane crash conspiracy claim. Supriya Sule seeks security for Rohit Pawar. Rohit Pawar has claimed a Mantri plane owner link. Rohit has said Naidu linked to Ajit plane owner. Sources reject charge on the aviation Mantri, and government sources have said that we are committed to fair crash probe. But the allegation and serious allegations being made with regard to... All right, we are getting a guest on the phone line. I beg your pardon. Omkar Wable is on the phone line. My reporter Omkar Wable is on the phone line on this. Omkar, what exactly are these allegations being made with regard to a link of the plane owner, and what is Supriya Sule saying?
Well, exactly. It's been 20 days now, demise of Ajit Pawar. Interesting thing is, nephew of Ajit Pawar, Rohit Pawar, is continuously alleging some people. He's also targeting DGCA that there must be a fair investigation in this whole matter. He's already predicting there could be a conspiracy and there could be a sabotage angle. So while establishing this angle, now Supriya Sule is backing Rohit Pawar, and she's saying government must provide him a security, because nowadays he is conducting press conferences, he is giving different kind of PowerPoint presentations. And the important thing is, Rohit Pawar is not only expressing the feeling of Maharashtra and the people of Maharashtra, but importantly, he is coming out with some facts which could be related to the Ajit Pawar plane crash, and that is how it's not about just feelings. He's also presenting facts and he's showing data, and that's why Supriya Sule is demanding security, extra security for the MLA Rohit Pawar.
Thank you very much for that, Omkar Wable. This is a story that we will keep an eye on, but we're getting some more breaking news that's coming in.